Welcome back to Broken Big Boy Toys. Tonight we're going to be working on the Thundercat YZF600r. We're going to be replacing those original foot pegs. Actually, we put R1s on them. We didn't like the way they were. Now I went out and got a set of Bob Moto pegs. Well, this is how they come. These were $32 off of eBay. And we're going to see how they mount up. The pegs are really cool. What they do is they come with a little adjuster here, or actually what would go into the peg. You would slide that in, and then the bolt comes in from inside the peg, and it bolts in from there so that there's nothing back there, no bolt or anything. So you can adjust them while they're on the bike to tilt it which way you need. It's actually really cool. So I'm not sure which way it goes. I think it has to go this way, so we'll set it up for that. So we've basically pulled the E-clip off of the old pin. Now these new ones do not come with the spring or the rod, so we're gonna have to use that one. So we actually went back to the actual stock ones that were with the bike. The springs instead of the ones that came with the R1 pedals, because we were having a hard time getting those springs to line up. We're going to try this spring and see if this one will work better. Is that right where you want the position? You want to turn it a little bit. Stop pushing down on it because it's not bolted in yet. You want to just make it straight like that, and then we'll tighten them up. Yep. Alright, so you're just going to put the E-clip back on. And there we go. Just like that. Trying to see if the position of it.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
You like them that way? You want to tilt it down a hair? What do you want?
Probably like that might be
I don't know if I'd like that. Think back a little bit. You don't want them. You want them almost straight. That's probably good.
Yeah, right there's pretty good.
Alright, tighten it in. Well, you're gonna use so we had to move the bike a little bit because we need to get to the passenger side, and it's really raining outside. So turn on a light here. So you can see what we're doing here. Trying to get that E-clip, not send it across the garage. I usually help them do these because sometimes they're a pain in the neck to get out. I'm going to try to come in with a right angle pick here. I can't get around the exhaust here. Okay, no. Give me the other needle nose.
got that out.
Again, go back with that factory pin or factory spring. And I have the E-clip in my hand when you're ready for it. You're fighting that spring at this point. You're not all the way lined up. Tilt it up and down this way so you got to get to the back side of that hole. You might need to look back there to see where you need to go, because you're somewhat through it. You see it? Nope. There you go. Push through, E-clip. Up and down, right. I don't know if you want it tilted like that. This is your probably closer to like that. Tighten in. You can always readjust them later.
Yep.
Our UPS guy going beyond us today without bringing us any parts for our motorcycles. What does that make sense of? Nothing. I would snug them in if you like where they want. I'd snug them pretty hard so they don't loosen up. I mean, in general, you might want to put blue Loctite on these, but we'll keep an eye on them. Okay. Just put one foot up at a time. There, right? Well, you want your foot. There you go. That one's okay?
Yep.
Put the other foot down and check the other side. Is that other side all right?
Yep.
Okay, so is that where you like it?
Yep.
Okay, so
I think they look a lot better too.
they're a lot better than the R1 ones. Again, you can't replace these foot pegs on a YZF600r Thundercat. The factory actually changes the piece that is the bracket with the peg, and it's $102 a side. So definitely this is a much better way to go at $32 for both versus $100 or $204. These look a lot cooler than the factory ones. Again, they were Bob Motos. They were on, I've got them on eBay.
And I think they're bullet aluminum.
Yeah, they're bullet aluminum. They're adjustable, so you can adjust the, as you saw, the tilt of the peg, which is really nice. And to be quite honest with you, a really nice design for this bike. 32 bucks shipped. I think now 34 with tax shipped, and I would definitely give the product a thumbs up on this one. I like it. They came in other colors as well. Could have gotten black. These are titanium, red, green, and blue, I believe.
And
so,
a gold color,
and
I also think.
And a gold color. So, well, as usual, like and subscribe. And again, as you know, we've changed the name of our YouTube channel now to Broken Big Boy Toys, because that's all we play with. Big boy toys, and most of them are broken when we get them. Thanks for watching.